Hey everyone, it's Gino from Prosperna. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Today, I'm here to show you how to activate guest checkout. A checkout process in an online store should be flexible. There are customers who just want to directly make a purchase without all the fuss of having to join and sign up. Let's admit it, not all customers are patient and trusting when it comes to handling out their information online. Guest checkout helps to reduce cart abandonment for customers like these. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings page, go to Order Settings and select Order. Click on the Guest Checkout toggle button and activate it. Click Save. If this is turned on, you must see this option reflecting on your website. That's it for this tutorial. You can learn more about other features by reading our online knowledge base at help.prosperna.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool digital marketing content. Be sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For more awesome updates, you can also like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Till next time.